need to temporarily disable an AI tool without removing it from your codebase. You'll see how to mark tools as unavailable using FastMCP's enabled equals false decorator parameter, which makes them invisible to clients while keeping the implementation intact for future use. This pattern is perfect for maintenance windows, feature flags, or gradual rollouts where you want to preserve the tool definition but prevent actual usage.
At MCP, tool enabled equals false. Def maintenance tool. This tool is currently under maintenance. Return, this tool is disabled.
This demonstrates the tool disabling pattern within a decorator-based RPC framework. The concept revolves around declarative control of endpoint availability, where tools can be programmatically enabled or disabled without modifying their core implementation. What makes this distinctive is the separation between a tool's existence in code and its runtime availability to clients, enabling dynamic feature management. The pattern works by embedding availability metadata directly in the decorator configuration. When a tool is marked as disabled, the framework excludes it from discovery and invocation, treating it as non-existent to clients. This creates a clean separation where tool registration, availability, and implementation remain independent concerns, allowing runtime configuration without code changes. This approach solves the problem of feature flagging and maintenance mode in production systems. Instead of deploying code changes or using complex feature toggle systems, you control tool availability through simple configuration. It's particularly valuable for AI integrations, where you need to temporarily remove capabilities without breaking existing client contracts or requiring downtime. The trade-off is that disabled tools still consume memory, though they remain inert until re-enabled. Let's break it down line by line.
At MCP, tool enabled equals false. Def maintenance tool. This tool is currently under maintenance.
The @MCP tool decorator with enabled equals false explicitly disables this tool from AI exposure. This pattern temporarily removes a tool from production while keeping the implementation intact, allowing maintenance without breaking existing code. The docstring provides clear user-facing communication about the disabled state.
Return, this tool is disabled.
This return statement provides immediate feedback when the disabled tool is called. It prevents silent failures by explicitly communicating the tool's unavailable status, maintaining clear system behavior during maintenance periods. Tool state management. The enabled disabled toggle in FastMCP's @MCP tool decorator provides runtime control over tool availability without modifying the underlying function or requiring server restarts. Disabled tools vanish completely from client tool listings and return unknown tool errors, making them indistinguishable from non-existent tools. This pattern enables seamless maintenance windows and feature rollouts without breaking existing integrations.
The tool that disappears from the list remains fully present in the code.